Hi everyone, I'm Priyanka and you're welcome to the Terrace Kitchen. Today I'll show you how to make street-style chocolate sandwich at home. If you like this recipe, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe my channel for more such wonderful recipes. Do not forget to leave your suggestions and comments in the comment section below. Now let's take a look at the recipe. For this recipe, we need 4 bread slices. I'm using white bread. If you want, you can use brown bread too. Remove the sides. And again, if you want to keep the sides, you can keep the sides too. I'm using a pair of scissors to cut the sides, but you can use knife as well. You can eat the sides with chai or make breadcrumbs or do whatever you want to do with the sides. Apply some butter on each slice. I'm using Amul salted butter here. Here I've taken some chopped dark chocolate. You can use compound as well. This is approximately 35 grams. So I'm going to use half for one sandwich and half for the other sandwich. One processed cheese cube. I'm using one for 2 sandwiches, so half of this cube will go in one sandwich. Combination of cheese and chocolate is just awesome. If you haven't tried it before, do try it. It just tastes awesome. So both the sandwiches are now ready to be grilled. I'm using a grill pan, but if you do not have this, you can use your regular non-stick tawa or pan. Apply some butter and place the sandwiches. You need to grill the sandwich on each side till it becomes golden in color. Golden and crispy. Keep the flame low. Apply butter on the other side before you flip it. Flip the second sandwich as well, and on low flame let the sandwiches become crispy and golden. The sandwiches are now ready. I'm going to divide these into 2 triangles. You want, you can divide these into squares as well, or you can have them just like that. You can see the melted ooey gooey chocolate inside. This is so tempting. And here I'm pouring some chocolate ganache. If you want, you can pour chocolate spread or chocolate syrup as well. And finally some sprinkles. This is optional. Give this a try and enjoy.